Hi everybody, welcome to this new video on the Saddlebag from Zana. All the luggage racks that we've made have a special patent design, like you all guys know. So Zana just thought we'll get a bag that complements the same. A saddlebag that complements all the saddle stays from the house of Zana and Z Pro. So I present to you the bag here, 35 liters each side, tied in the center with the help of 3 Velcro straps, and to the each frame by means of loops, something that we all are accustomed to. Comes with YKK zippers that come with their own cover to prevent water seepage. The zippers are present on the main compartment as well as this extension here. In the bags, without the extension, obviously, we also made sure that the main compartment comes with the same quality of YKK zippers again. Towards the front, we've added a net pocket, something where you can keep your water bottles at a handy location. And towards the back, we have a night reflector strip with the Zana logo. Comes with a zip closed pocket, a pocket where you can keep small knickknacks beyond the main compartment of the bag. In the same way, the front pocket on this extension allows you to keep some last minute or something as a last moment product for your bag. So the main compartment you can pack at your hotel. If you've forgotten something that you need easy access of, it can go to these zipped out pockets. We hope you like this bag. Encourage us, like you always have, to bring us all the best product for your motorcycle needs. You can order this bag from ZanaMotorcycles.com. Thank you for watching this video.